Adding a credit card on Zip is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully link your credit card to your Zip account. Step 1. Open the Zip app. Launch the Zip app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from your device's app store and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Methods. Once you are logged in, find the Menu or Settings option, usually represented by 3 lines or dots. Tap on it and look for the Payment Methods or Wallet section. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the Payment Methods section, look for an option to add credit card or add new payment method. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter credit card information. You will be prompted to enter your credit card details. Fill in the required fields, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Make sure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save and confirm. After entering your credit card information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap the Save or Add Card button to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation that your card has been added successfully. Now you can use your credit card for transactions on Zip. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section in the app or contact customer support for assistance.